my friends, it's Tuesday the 1st, and I want to show you what we've got going today. We are designing the body, the rest of the body. Take a look and tell you what you think. It's going to be a very unusual application on design, and you'll have to imagine what the bonnet's going to look like. We're working with the hinges and everything right now. The bottom part here, all this here basically screened in. And okay, now take a look. Here we go. This is basically what the body's going to look like. Now it's very unusual because it's going to end right along here. This is going to be a Coke bottle effect. So I know it's unusual. What the hell, that's what we do. We're the purveyors of unusual things. So Andreas and I have had a hell of a day. It's going to be an enormous car. Now I'm going to take you to the back where we've been doing all our special lights that's coming in and everything. You can see how this is coming. It's really exciting. We're working on the chain guard next. You can see how we do it. This is fun. This is the part that Andreas and I love the most. We absolutely have a ball. Now, we're going to do something a little unusual that I think should have been done a hell of a long time ago on these babies. We're going to have two very special oilers that we'll be able to turn on, and we'll wire it so it goes into tubing in into the chains. So we will be automatically lubricating our chains. You can see what we've got here. This here is the top line of the hood that's going around here. All around here. I'm sorry, I'm thinking myself, but you don't see what I'm doing. We'll bring our pieces down here, halfway here, and halfway up. And that will cover our torpedo exhaust system. But you can see the basic lines of what the hell we're doing. And this is, we've changed it 5 times already in the last 15 minutes, and we'll continue to keep changing it until we get it absolutely perfect in our mind's eye. But I wanted you to see all the things that's going on, all the action. You don't want to miss anything. We even have serial numbers and everything else. This is really a gas. Anyway, just thought we would share this with you, that it takes a long time to do this, but then all of a sudden in the last few weeks or last few days, it gets done. And there you can see what we've got going on in here. There's our other pumper, and that one's an actual jack pumper. Isn't this amazing? You've got wood all coming along here in this area, so it'll all match here down. This, of course, will be red. We'll make our chain guard next. All of this is coming along, coming to fruition. So anyway, we wish you a very, very nice week. Andreas, say goodbye.
Goodbye, please share.
And there's Kara. Please share this video with everybody. We'd really appreciate it. And we'll keep you up to date with what the heck we're doing. Thank you, and have a good day.